Hello guys, you use my phone Samsung Galaxy A72. This version 6GB RAM memory and 128GB Intel memory. Start unpacking. Look completion. In completion we have only adapter for charging and USB Type-C cable. Okay. Device made of plastic. On the back side quad camera LED, on the front side 6.7-inch display. Right side power key and volume keys. This side without controls. Upside headphones, upside slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside USB Type-C port and speaker and microphone. Okay. About phone. One UI Core 3.1, Android 11, version Knox 3.7. Display AMOLED, 18 Hz. 90 Hz, Super AMOLED Full HD resolution. Look Geekbench 5 test results. CPU we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 720J, octa-core processor 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU Adreno 618. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. AnTuTu benchmark results look. AnTuTu benchmark results okay, and run the money game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work, okay. Run the money game Real Racing 3. Let's see gameplay. Game works perfect, without lags and glitches. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Main quad camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.